Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how do you hide your recently played on your Spotify. Now first of all, let me just get into this real quick by opening up a Spotify. And now you see these are the recently played songs, and for some reason if you don't want the other person to see these, is first of all, what you can do is you can obviously just log out. You can press the settings tab on the top right. You can scroll all the way bottom and press log out. You can just use the free version of Spotify, and basically it won't really record anything for you. And the other thing that you can do is you can go to a playlist, and then sorry, I'm gonna choose. You need to choose a local playlist. For example, I have this one. So you press on these three dots, and now you can press remove from profile, and this playlist is no longer displayed on my profile. So I can add it back. I can make it private. So only the people I invite will be able to view this playlist, and it won't be shown to other users on my profile page. So the last thing which you can do is that is you can go to settings again on the top right. You can press on privacy and social, and you can turn this last option off. So the recently played artists won't display on your profile if I turn it off. If I turn it on, the recently played artist would show up on my public profile. So that is pretty much all about this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I will see you in the next one.